Today I'm going to show you a new Python 3.10 feature, and this one is called the match case, or in many other programming languages called the switch case. And for the longest time, Python didn't have this. They only had multiple if statements, and now they finally have this match statement. So I'm going to start a Python Docker container. That's this latest version. So you want to make sure you have Docker pull Python RC Buster. And now you want to run this. And you'll get Python 3.10. So actually, I'm going to run a shell instead of that Python interpreter. And we're going to actually create a new file and put what I have on the right inside that file. So we're going to do new feature.py. And this actually doesn't have Vim, so we're going to actually install it. Just for this example. Usually you do not do this inside Docker containers. But for simplicity reasons, I'm going to do it here. Okay? So vim new feature. And we're going to do a equals Dan. So we're going to set a variable called a that is now called Dan. And now you can do match a. And you can say case Dan. And do print. Hello, my name is Dan. And you can do case Docker. Print. Hello from Docker. And then you even have a fall through case. And you do just, we didn't find anything. And that's sad face. So now we can run this with this new feature, and you can see, hello, my name is Dan. Now we can even extend this to run a little bit different from the command line. So let's do this. Import sys a equals sys.argv1. And basically now you can pass this new feature, Dan, Docker, Bob. And that's how the new match feature works in Python 3.10. Thanks for watching.